consistently. Just use your resources. And I tell this to people in some of my trainings. You don't have to know everything about your field. Like I went to school for accounting and business. I don't know everything about accounting and business. I know enough, and then I know where to find it. I know what regulations apply, what laws, what resources exist, and I bookmark them so that I can go and find that stuff easily. And that's just really all it is. Know which policies and documents apply, and then know where to find stuff. Know the people that you can reach out. People are resources, but you don't want to get in the habit of going to those people first. That's something that
No, try and research it as much as you can first. But if you and once you research it, that's what I'm saying. Like you might research it and go, I still don't know what this is saying.
yeah.
That's when you reach out to those guys and say, hey, I was looking at this thing. And I get that it is this, but I still don't really get what it does, or however you're confused. And
Hmm.
if you've tried to figure it out, they're definitely going to help you.